Hello and welcome to Rapid Render. This week we're taking a look at Claude.
Yes, this week we are diving into using Claude to control Blender via the MCP. Everybody on the team has been using AI, specifically Claude, to help do some of the libraries and a lot of the repetitive tasks like GitHub issues or things that are like so repetitive that it definitely is helpful to have AI help to get a lot of those issues solved. Initially, I was super scared to do all of this because it's all via the terminal. What Claude is doing is writing a bunch of Python to communicate. And one of the things I instructed it to do was build a house. So as it's generating all of the instructions for this, you can see what it's typing here. And I love how it's coding all of this. It's all easy to read, just Python. You can see here it's creating the roof. It starts creating like the plane, assigning materials, like scaling the door. It's like having some errors and then correcting itself and going through how to correct those errors and like how to go into the Blender UI. So this is definitely helpful if you're just learning Blender. If you want to like look for a command that you're not sure of, like where it is in the UI, or have Claude help you find it. So here it is, like, adding lights. It even adds things that I didn't even think about, like having a little picket fence, adding the trees, adding like flowers to the bed. Oh no, I didn't show the end of it. It actually made the flowers, like it gave it petals, it gave it like but for editing, I did not notice where I cut that out. But it looked a lot better than this. Like I told it to go in and have it build like to make the walls like bricks. And then you could keep going further from that, but I ran out of what is it, the tokens,
Oh, it's funny.
the link. Yeah. And then the other test that I did was having it create AdaBot. So I'm like, all right, take this image and create a pixel or a polygon robot. And here is how it is first building the block and then making the spheres to have the eyes and the antenna. And yeah, this is super cool because you're able to go, while it's generating all of this, you're able to go into your Blender scene and navigate around it, rotate. Of course, it's not perfect. So here's what it ended up with before it ran out of the tokens or the length of the conversation. It is still learning to communicate with Blender. What we've been showing up until this point is, just mesh. There was no way to edit. This is all primitive geometry that you're able to go in and pull a face or edit a vertice or go into your camera and add more lights and have like a realistic render to it.
Yeah, this is really